landed on Paracord planet, and in this video, we're continuing our Astrology Bracelet series. Welcome to the Age of Aquarius. For this design, we were inspired by their symbol. Although Aquarius is an air sign, its constellation depicts a cupbearer to the gods in Greek mythology. So those two wavy lines represent the water that he carried. For supplies, you'll need 10 feet or 3.5 meters of Cool Breeze 550 Paracord to represent air, and 10 feet or 3.5 meters of silver 550 Paracord to represent water, as well as a 5/8 inch chrome buckle, a scissors, a lighter, a jig, and a stitching needle. Once you have your supplies, you'll want to set up your jig, so go ahead and clip right in. Then take your Cool Breeze cord, fold it in half, and push that fold through the bottom buckle, coming up from below, and take your ends through that fold and off to each side to create an upside down cow hitch knot. Now grab one end, leave a little bite hanging out, and pull that end back through the buckle, out the bite. Then do the same thing on the other side. Now take both ends through the top buckle, this time coming from above, then thread one end over itself, back up through the top buckle, and back down under itself to create a single strand cow hitch knot. Do this on the other side once again. Now to start your weave, take the right end and wrap it around the right core strand at least 10 times for now, going clockwise. Then take the left end and wrap it around the left core strand, the same number of times, also going clockwise. Now grab your silver cord and cut one end at an angle. Then use your lighter to melt the end and line it up with the stitching needle, twisting clockwise until the cord is firmly attached. Next, you'll want to find the parallel lines made when you wrapped the ends around your core strands. Now use your stitching needle to lance through the first set of parallel lines and pull the cord through until you have the same amount on each side. Then go the opposite direction through the next set of lines. Repeat those steps until you reach the end of the weave. At this point, you can tighten the weave to add more wraps if you'd like. This will result in more ripples on your wavy line. Next, attach the stitching needle to the other working end of your silver cord, and here's the important part. Take the end over top of this cord and down through the one next to it. Now just use your stitching needle to follow the silver cord down through the weave. Once you reach the end, unclip from the jig and flip your bracelet over. Then use your stitching needle to tuck these cool breeze cords into the left-hand side. Then, to continue the pattern, use your stitching needle to tuck those silver ends into the left-hand side as well. Finally, use your scissors to trim the ends about 1/4 of an inch away from the weave. And hold them over your lighter for about 3 to 6 seconds. And use the bottom of your lighter to flatten everything down. So this is what the finished Aquarius bracelet should look like. We think it represents both air and water, as well as the freedom and flexibility associated with the sign. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.